Who slept on the top? Who slept on the bottom?
That one slept on the bottom. Me slept on the top. And that's all in here. And then the microwave. And then the table. And mommy and daddy's bed. And the phone. And the everything.
And the everything.
I just slap a ball in here. Yeah, on the bed.
Is Beckham behind you?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job!
I'm gonna do that again.
Okay.
Oh no. I should have hit
Light stars everywhere. There's me in here. Nothing's gonna happen to you.
Yeah. We're not ready yet.
That's ready.
Ready?
It's just a big slide. It's just like the little slide. We all get it.
Yeah, we're gonna be like,
We did it!
Wait, Caden.
Wait.
Hold on, get back in. Get back in, Caden. Let go of that. All right, guys, hold on to your handles. Have fun.
Oh, it's done! Ray, howl like a wolf when we go through the tunnel. Howl like a wolf when we go through the tunnel. Thank you. All right, Rhea, here we go. We're going around again. We're going backwards. I'm holding on to you. You're fine. Pull yourself up. Woo, we're outside.
How was it, guys?
Good, thank you. Oh, Becca!